My name is Travis Thompson. I'm a mechanical designer here at Edge Automation, and I'm also usually a project lead on most of the projects that I design.
Name's Nathan Rebello. We're here at Edge. I'm on the controls team. I'm a licensed electrician and also a junior programmer, a PLC programmer, robotics programmer.
Console clipping cell is the name of this project. What it does is it uses robots to install the clip onto a plastic component. And the plastic component, it's a component that'll go onto the center console on your vehicle.
The cameras are mounted to the robot, so the robots, after they clip all the plastic pieces onto the part, the camera will actually take the picture of the clips and then measure the distance from a known point to that clip and determine if the clip has been seated properly or not. From that point, it'll be notified on the HMI screen. We do program a certain margin of error because also when dealing with plastic, there's oftentimes variances in the part. So we have to build in some compliance generally with the tooling so that they can seamlessly work well throughout its lifetime.
Plastic parts are always tricky to deal with. Plastic parts are never consistent and 100% accurate, so that's always a struggle that you have to work through in the design portion. And so building in that compliance is definitely helpful, and that would be something I would try to move forward with.
Like with every machine, there's always certain aspects that you can take with you and remember what the struggles were on that previous machine, and you can learn from that and build with it. I enjoy the challenge, and I'm sure a lot of us here at Edge do as well, and that's why we picked the automation industry.